Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode we're gonna see the tablet and phone holder which has the brand UGREEN and it's an universal holder with flexible arm, which means that you can adjust the phone or your tablet as you desire and you want the position, and it's very strong and it's very high quality material. We're gonna unbox it and see what inside the box and we're gonna test it together. So let's do it. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Here we have the phone and tablet holder. You can adjust these arms as bending this. It's very tight and strong. It can hold the tablet and your phone very tightly. Here we have the table holder, which it's very thick plastic and it's gonna take place beside the table, and here you're gonna put the arm in this hole and you can turn it 360 degrees all around here. It's very good material, plastic. Here we have one Allen key, which we're gonna tighten the screw on the back side of the phone in order to be tightened. Here is the hex key, where you can adjust the back of the phone. I'm going to show you on the arm how we're going to adjust this. I'm putting to the side. Here we have our adjustable arm. It's made by aluminum. It's very nice. The springs are aluminum also. As we continue to open the box, here we have the manual. It's written in English, in French. Nice. Here we have the manual. It shows how we can adjust the setup with pictures, and let's set it up. Firstly, in order to put the phone or tablet holder with our arm, we have to unscrew this plastic and put it firstly here. After I unscrew and put the screw here, I'm gonna put the holder with the arm like this. We heard the clack sound and the click sound, and we are screwing. Now it's turn to adjust this thick plastic to the table and then put the arm above it and adjust it. In order to put the arm, we have to adjust the holder a little bit far away from the table because we have the screw cap, which we have to adjust it in order to maintain the arm. We unloosen this and we unloosen the screw cap. Now we're tightening it once again. As you can see, now we placed the arm to the thick plastic and everything fine to go. So let's adjust our phone. After we complete the installation of the arm, as you can see, I can move the arm far away. I can bring it a little bit closer. It goes 360 degrees around itself. Also the holder goes 360 around itself, and it can turn for 180 degrees like this. We can loosen it with hex key here in order to be tight and not to be much movable. Now I'm gonna adjust the phone and see how it looks. And now, as you can see, I touched my iPhone, which is iPhone CE 2020 second edition, second generation. It has a 4 inches display, I think. I don't know. I'm not sure. And it's very good. It's very tight. And the plus of this stand is that you can plug the cable here and put the charge or use it as a webcam and use it as you want. One more thing that I want to add, and it's very important, I think, is that if you want to turn this arm, as you can see now, I cannot turn it because it's very tight. You have to unloose the screw, okay, and turn it to the right and left. If you don't do this, you have the risk to damage the body, the bottom of the body, and maybe you can lose it or break it in the future if you do it so much. If you want to adjust the arm, you have to untie the screws here, and can be easier to adjust the arm. We have one at the bottom and one at the upper side, which I'm gonna show you right now. We have one more here. You have to unloose the screw, and after that you can adjust the arm as you desire. As you can see here, I adjust it. And so this video was like this. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.